In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with ElevenLabs for voiceover gigs. We'll walk through using ElevenLabs to create polished, versatile voice samples that attract paying clients. By the end, you'll know exactly how to plan your script, test voices, and produce a portfolio that shows you're ready for real projects. Start on your ElevenLabs homepage. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout so you can move quickly. Put on headphones so you can catch details in tone and clarity. Before you click anything, think about the kinds of jobs you want: short ads, explainer videos, audiobooks, social media narrations, or voicemail prompts. Jot down a few lines that reflect those categories. Keep them concise and purposeful, because clients want to hear range without a lot of filler. Next, head into the text-to-speech area. Paste or write your script directly in the text box. Punctuation is your best friend here. Commas and periods help the model place natural pauses, and clear sentence structure improves rhythm. If you have tricky names or acronyms, consider spelling them phonetically in parentheses to guide pronunciation. Now, test different voices, styles, and emotional tones. Try a warm, friendly read for an explainer, a confident, energetic tone for a promo, and a calm, steady delivery for narration. Use the available controls to fine-tune stability, clarity, and speed. Small adjustments can make a big difference in believability. Play previews after each tweak and listen critically for pacing, emphasis, and any robotic edges. Rename each test with something descriptive so you can quickly compare later. With your text refined and your voice settings dialed in, create sample voiceovers that show off your range. Aim for multiple shortcuts, each focused on a specific use case, ideally 10 to 30 seconds long. Keep the room quiet, turn off notifications, and generate clean takes without background music, so clients can evaluate your voice on its own. Export your best results in high quality and label them clearly by style and mood. Think promo energetic, explainer warm, or narration calm. Consistent loudness and no clipping will make your samples sound professional from the first second. The more versatile you are, the more clients you can serve. So curate a small bundle that covers at least 3 distinct styles. This becomes your calling card for voiceover gigs. Share these samples when you pitch, highlight the settings that achieved each sound, and be ready to replicate them on request. With a thoughtful script, smart testing, and polished samples, you're set to turn ElevenLabs into a reliable income stream.